I'm Vanessa Ruck, the girl on a bike. Welcome to my workshop. Today we're going to be looking at the TengTools service case, showing you the features and how you can potentially make the most of this piece of kit. So this is a durable, shock-resistant case from TengTools, and it's designed to take their modular toolbox systems and enable you to transport them further away from your toolkit than a big cabinet is possibly capable of. So let's look at some of the features. We've already mentioned that it is shockproof, but on the front we've then got security thrown in as well. We've got two metal clutches and a locking mechanism in the middle. Now the locking mechanism is the same as the rest of the range. You can check out our other video on how to change the number on that combination. It's incredibly easy. So we can open up the case, and on the inside I have this empty. It folds in half, revealing two compartments. The top compartment is actually free to float around and be removed. This reveals the space for 9 3 in each toolbox trays. So what I'm going to do is pull out some of the tools from my big cabinet behind and populate this to give you an idea of quite how easy that is to do. Now for me as a motorcycle rider and racer, taking toolkit with me out on the road and being able to have it in the pits at a race is really helpful. So let's grab some tools. So there's some screwdriver and tool bits. Then I'm going to get the T-bar handles, pop them in as well. So that's giving me hex and Allen. They are going to go underneath the mobile part. We've got two little black clasps on each of those, and then that enables you to lift the two lids up like so. This case is designed to take 3 rows, but you can also use a 2 and a single. They've added in 2 little stops here so that if you have a 2, it's held to one end and the 1 can go at the other end. I'm going to add in some flexible head ratchet spanners. That's one side sorted. Thinking about motorbikes, I'm going to go for the 3/8 and the 1/4 inch. I've got one more space. What I'm going to do is, because I need spare parts in the pits, I'm going to put a modular toolbox in there that's empty, and then I'm going to grab some spare brake pads, some spare bolts, just a couple of random bits, and they can go in there. And that way they are tidy and secure. Now, as I close this one, I'm going to show you a bit of the security, because you obviously don't want your tools to be falling out as you move it around. At each end, it pops in, engages under a little lip, and then you've got a slider clip that goes across, and that's super snug. Because it's all designed to be modular, it's a very low tolerance space, which is going to hold all those parts into their space in the TT series grey backing. Everything's secure. I'm going to close that up. You can see nothing's moving. Close up the case, and I've got a carry handle to carry it sideways. I've also got a carry handle to hold it that way. And if I remove it from here, it's obviously a little bit heavy now, and I don't need an extra workout when I'm racing. So we've got a luggage wheelie case style handle. And that is me loaded up. I've got some tools. I've got a handy, secure way to keep them. It's got a lock to keep them safe wherever I'm going as well. So that is the TengTools service case. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions. There is, of course, all of the product information available on the tengtools.com website. I'm Vanessa Ruck. Thanks so much for watching. I'm off.